So here is a tip for the vintage lace. So sometimes, you don't realize how thrashed a piece is until you actually, after you've had it made, which is unfortunate, but when you're working with a lot of this vintage lace, you can't see that maybe there's a hole. Like in this case, there are a couple holes in the back. So what I do is I will find another piece of lace. Let me show you. This is a little cute little one. And I will kind of almost use it like a patch. Honestly, I haven't had anybody really complain about anything like this. To repair this piece of lace would make the actual garment, probably double in price. And not only that, but you can see it actually adds like an interesting component to the back with this multi-level. Now this piece is a lot more thrashed than I thought, which is kind of a bummer. So then my question is, and then if the person's gonna sit on this, it's most likely gonna rip some more. So this lace also reinforces it. And what I've really learned with this is that the right person, first of all, make sure you have, the lace is hard to tell which side is the right side. Like there's that side and there's this side. So you know how you can tell? By the raised, that is the right side, as opposed to this is the wrong side. They're equally as pretty, and believe me, I've messed these up so many times I can't even tell you. But the person that's going to buy a piece like this is going to love it. Not only that it's sustainable, that it's an upcycled piece. This is knotted lace. This is amazing, beautiful lace. So the beauty of it will be, I'm going to do it as a wrap. The beauty of it will be that the person is going to fall in love with this piece because of the history and then the special handwork that's on top of it. So mask the imperfections of these vintage textiles by adding interesting pieces on top of it, and I think you'll be just fine. That's my tip. Stay tuned and follow and like for more. Ciao.